In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a read-only file into a file you can write over in Microsoft Excel. If you're working with Excel and find that you're unable to make changes to a spreadsheet because it opens as read-only, don't worry. This is a common issue, but with just a few steps, you can easily convert the file to be editable. Let's dive into how you can accomplish this. First, make sure you know where your read-only Excel file is located on your computer. Once you have found the file, you're going to right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu. From this menu, navigate down to the Properties option and click on it. The Properties window will appear, displaying several options and tabs. It's important to ensure you focus on the General tab, which is usually the default view when the Properties window opens. Inside the General tab, you'll notice a section labeled Attributes. Here you will see a checkbox next to the word Read Only. Because this file is set to Read Only, the box is currently checked. To change this setting, simply click the checkbox to uncheck it. By doing this, you're telling your computer that this file should no longer be restricted to read-only mode. After unchecking the read-only box, you'll want to apply this change by clicking the OK button at the bottom of the window. This action will close the Properties window, and now your file is set to be editable. Let's go ahead and open the file to ensure the changes have taken effect. Now find the Excel file you've just altered. Double-click on it to open it in Excel. Once the file is open, take a look at the title bar at the top. What you should notice this time is that it no longer says Read Only next to the file name. This means the modification was successful, and you can now edit the file just like any normal Excel document. Remember, when a file opens as read-only, it typically means it's being protected to prevent accidental changes. While this can be helpful in certain scenarios, it's also vital to know how to bypass this setting when you need to make necessary edits. And there you have it. The file is now fully editable, allowing you to work on your spreadsheet without any restrictions. Being able to switch a file from read-only to editable is a great skill to add to your Excel toolkit. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps enhance your Excel experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.